My name is Dr. Regan Stoneburner, and I'm one of the new veterinarians on the CVETS surgery team. I am from Goldsboro, North Carolina. I did my undergrad and my vet school at North Carolina State, go Wolfpack. And then I did a one-year rotating internship at the University of Illinois. I did an orthopedic surgery internship at The Ohio State University, and then I did a 3-year surgical residency at Cornell University. Yeah, so I think a lot of reasons. A lot of it for me was really the education was the driving factor. So I really wanted to be in a place where I was going to get to train surgical residents. And so we just sort of started our surgical residency program. So that was a big selling point for me. Also needed to get out of the brutal winters of New York. At my core, love orthopedics. I've always loved orthopedics. A lot of my research was in correcting angular limb deformities in dogs, so that tends to be kind of what I gravitate towards. I am at my core a Swiftie, and so there's always Taylor Swift in my OR. I would say my best advice for parents post-operative is to don't be afraid to ask questions. So I think a lot of the times when we see complications, there are things that could have been prevented, but people are too afraid to ask. And so any questions or comments, we are here to answer those. And so always just call. If you have any question, even if you think it's silly, it may not be silly. Yeah, it means a ton, especially coming from my background. All of my training was in academia, and so I am spoiled in that I could always just walk down the hallway and have another mind or another brain to pick who may think about things differently than me. So that was another big selling point of this hospital, was that I knew that I still had access to all of that, although we're not in academia anymore. I'm a reputation girly at my core, but all too well the 10-minute version.